Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nivedita Dhingra and I'm a hemato-oncologist and bone marrow transplant physician at Max Hospital, Patparganj. Today I'm going to talk about something which deserves a lot of attention, and that is anemia in our elderly population. So what is anemia? Anemia is basically a blood condition in which your hemoglobin value is low. There are less red cells, and as a result of anemia, you tend to get tired quickly, you feel weak, you might get breathless on exertion. And one of the most common causes of anemia in our country, due to various nutritional deficiencies related to our diet and lifestyle patterns, is nutritional anemia, or anemia due to iron and B12 deficiency and folate deficiency. But one population on which I would especially like to emphasize today is our elderly population, that is, people who are older than the age of 60. So there can be many causes of anemia. In general, what we generally tend to believe and tend to follow is that all anemia is because of nutritional deficiencies. They should get themselves tested. So they should get a complete blood count and a good peripheral smear examination, where a doctor examines their blood smear and tries to find out that what is the cause of anemia. Of course, it could be nutritional, but we should not stop the buck here. So if some elderly patient comes to us with iron deficiency anemia, a thorough evaluation must be done to look for the cause of iron deficiency. More often than not, it is related to bleeding from the GI tract, and an expert gastroenterology consultation must be taken. Then there can be some more sinister causes of anemia which are particularly common in this age group, and these include certain forms of blood cancers. So blood cancers such as leukemias, myelodysplastic syndromes, and one of the most common blood cancers in this age group is multiple myeloma. So after a CBC and a peripheral blood smear examination is done, if there are any indicators of an underlying serious blood disorder, an expert consultation from a hematologist must be sought. Further specialized tests, including a bone marrow test, must be done to come to an exact diagnosis. And now we are in the era where we have a lot of good oral pills that can work on a variety of blood disorders, variety of blood cancers, which can really lead to an improvement in the symptoms. Thank you.